Hi, I'm Ankita. I'm an intern of Agimus Technology. I'm studying at RB College of Engineering, and this is the implementation of a D flip flop with synchronous reset and preset. Here, the first DIP switch is the reset, the second is preset, and the third one is the input pin. The output Q is the first LED, and the second LED is the Q bar. Now, when the reset and preset are low, the input is low, and so the output is low, and the complement output is high. And if I make the input high, the output is also high, and the complement is 0. Now, if I make reset high, output is 0, and this is the Q bar output. Similarly, if I make preset high, irrespective of the input, the output goes high, and this is the complement output. Thank you.